you woken up with puffiness or dark circles around your eyes? Well, this can be quite common and make your face appear dull and tired. Here are 5 simple tips to help you reduce their appearance. Apply a good under eye night cream. Opt for a good moisturizing under eye night cream and apply it regularly every night. Look for products containing hyaluronic acid, squalene, vitamin C, vitamin E, niacinamide or even caffeine. They will help to hydrate and lighten the under eye area. Sun protection. Make sure to apply a good broad spectrum sunscreen of SPF at least 30 or higher around the area of your eyes. Also, wear sunglasses whenever you are outdoors. This will help not just protect your skin from sun damage and pigmentation, but will also help with anti-aging and prevent the formation of fine lines and wrinkles around the eyes. Reduce your screen time. We are often glued to our electronic gadgets such as our mobile phones, TV screens or laptops, especially during this pandemic time. This can cause eye strain and fatigue, eventually making our dark circles appear more prominent. Make sure to take breaks in between. Look away from your screen for 5 minutes at least every 1 to 2 hours and blink for 10 seconds. This will help relax the muscles around your eyes. Avoid rubbing your under eye area. The skin around your eyes is extremely thin and sensitive as compared to the rest of your face. So whenever you are applying any product here or even when you're removing your eye makeup, you need to be extremely gentle and avoid any kind of friction, rubbing or tugging of the skin because this will lead to pigmentation and dullness. Eat healthy. Excessive intake of sugar or salt in your diet can lead to water retention in the body, causing puffiness around the eyes. Avoid eating anything too salty or sweet post 7 p.m. This will help reduce puffiness around the eyes in the morning. Ensure to eat a well-balanced and healthy diet and include a lot of antioxidants daily. Also, make sure to drink enough amount of water. For a quick fix for dark circles, you can cut 2 slices of cool cucumber or soak 2 clean cotton pads in cold green tea and place it over your eyes for about 10 to 15 minutes. This will help to instantly soothe and hydrate the under eye area and reduce the appearance of dark circles. If you need further help with dark circles, I would strongly advise you to consult your dermatologist and get the right treatment.